Hello everyone. Today we solve problem number 11306 jump game 3. First of all, we can understand the problem, then we think about the solution. What we have a one starting index, and we have to go to the I plus ARRI or I minus ARRI. We have two paths. We go to the all index and check if it is equal to 0. Find the using path. If we find the 0, then we return true. If we can't find that, then we return the false. In this case, we can we have to uh, array like 4, then 2, then 3, then 0, then 3, then 1, and then 2. We have starting. We first of all we can take index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We have six index, and starting with the fifth number. Like we have fifth, then we have to make it to the. We can go either on this index or this index. If we check for the I is equal to 5, 5 plus 1, and 5 minus 1. Using this, we go to the index number 6 and we have option to the code number index number 4. I in see in the example explanation in the code. We in After that we have to go in this we have to go to the 6 minus the 6 plus 2 and 6 minus 2. 6 plus 2 is 8. It is the out of bound. We can't have it. Then we not go further. We have 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. Uh, then we have it in 5 minus 1, 4. That is this index. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. And 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. Then we go to the index number 1. It is out of bound, then we cannot go to the this index. Then we have to go with the 0, 1, and 1 plus 2 is equal to 3, and 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Then we go to the index number 3 and we check we can find the value is 0, then we return the true. uh, in this full array we can't find a 0, then we return the false. uh, this is the problem actually we have to solve. First of all, we think about the solution. Uh, so solution like we can make a edge cases for first of all, and we will solve using the recursive. Like we have make a recursion call. First of all, we have to check. Like we take the example same as we explained. We can take example of 4, 2, 3, 0, 3, 1, and 2. We have start with the 5. First, we can make indexing and we try run on this code 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. What we have to do in our code, like we have checked the if size is not array size is starting is not more than the array size. If it is more than the array size starting point, then we have to return false. Not less than 0, like we have to bond 0 to 6, then not more than 6 and not less than 0. If it is in both conditions, if we have start value in between, not in between that, then we have to return false. Another is the if we have a starting, if we first start, if we have find out the start value is equal to 0, then we have to return. Uh, and then if we have a array start is less than 0, then we also have to return the false for that. And for second thing, we have to mark negative for visiting element. If we have visit that index, then we mark as a -1. That's indicate the we have already visited this element, and we have to recursion call. for starting plus jump and like that. Like in 5 case, we have to 5 plus 1, and in this case, we have to 5 minus 1. Then we find out the both the element using the recursion call and repeat that and find out the if it is written, then we have equal, index value is equal to 0, then we have to return true, otherwise we have to return false. Like we dry run on this case, we if like same as the I explained in this in that example. Uh, like same as the first of all we have to find out the uh, uh, that is for 6 and that is 4. Then we check it is go to the sixth element, and for 6 we have to two values, 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. Then we have 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. Then for this case, we have to check also both of for both of them. Like for index number 4, we have to 4 minus 1. Uh, uh, no, 4 minus 3 and 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3. Uh, 4 plus 3. It is equal to say 1, and it is equal to 7. In this both cases are out of 1, then we ignore that and we go further with 1, and for 4 we can't go 4 because we have already visited to 4. That's we have to go with 1. Then we index number 1 we have to value is 2. Then we can make 2 plus 1 is equal to 3, and 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Then we already visited 1, then we have to go to the 3 and check it is equal to 0, then we have to return true. Like that we have to traverse all the element and mark as like minus all the minus 4, then minus 2, then minus 3, like that. And if it is visited element, then we cannot visit again and again. We have visit one time. Like that we need to solve this problem. We have time complexity is big of n, and space complexity is also big of n. Why space complexity is big of n? We have recursion stack for that. Using recursion stack, we have complexity of big of n, and also time complexity. We visited all the element of the array, like all the element of the array. That's why we have a big of n time complexity. Let's run the code and check the test cases. I already written the code. Let's run it. Okay, let's see. We can pass all the test cases. Let's submit it. Yeah, we passed all the test cases, 56 out of 56. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my question, then you subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.